Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Thanks so much for joining me on this practice video. Today we're going to work on plank, which is one of my favorite postures of all time. And we're going to do so many different types of planks. This is kind of something I really like to work on. You could come back to this plank video over and over again if you want to just feel the coordination of your core and your shoulders. I was not naturally strong. Plank was one of the first postures that I really started to use to help build strength. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna head right in and we're gonna kind of jump in. And this is a great video if you do yoga or you just want to strengthen and do this as a little drill. So you can take your hands shoulder width apart, your knees hips width apart. We're gonna warm up the wrists in this hands and knees plank, and I want to see the back really supported from underneath, so no sway back. You're gonna draw the ribs in, mildly tuck the tailbone, grip your fingertips, and let your mind be super precise. You're going to use your inner thighs to draw the knees in. We'll hold this for 5 breaths. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to go a little forward. When you go forward, you're going to tuck that tail a little more. You got it? Just like that. Little forward, little back. Little forward, let's tuck that tail, little back. 2 more. Little forward, tuck the tail, send it back. 1 more, little forward, keep it tucked and hold for 5. We got 1. This is also gently warming up your wrists for weight bearing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. We send it back, shake out your hands. All right, so this is probably not a beginner video. So if you've never done strength training or plank or yoga before, check out some of my other beginner videos. Take your hands down, grip your fingertips. You're gonna step one leg back, and again, show me that tailbone under. Good job. Bring it up. Let's hold our plank for 5. This time your feet together. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like from the hands and knees, we're gonna tip it under and go a little forward. Bring it back. We got a little forward. Bring it back. When you go forward, show me that tailbone under. Good. 3 more. We got a little forward. We got a little back. We got a little forward. We got a little back. We got a little forward. We got a little back. Last one, and hold it forward for 1, 2. Navel is in. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, sink your knees down. Let's sink it back. You can take child's pose for a moment. Drop the elbows, shake out the hands. Good job. You feel the heat from plank starting. That's awesome. Now, let's bring it up, and we're gonna come to the hands and knees. We're gonna do shoulder dips in plank. It's like scapula push-ups. We're gonna tuck it under, then you're gonna go down, dip down, push back and up. Got it? Now 5 times. Exhale, down and little forward. Inhale, back and up. Again, we got down and little forward. Inhale, back and up. We got down and little forward. Inhale, back and up. Again, down and little forward and back and up. Last one, hold it down. 1, big tuck tailbone. 2, good, grip your fingertips. 3, put your shoulders a little forward. 4, and 5, send it back, sink down, shake the hands. Good job, hands down. Give me plank, feet together. Nice. Let's do that same movement from plank. Down and little forward, back and away. Down and little forward, back and away. When you go down, I want you to activate and back and away. 3 more times. Down and little forward, back and away. Down and little forward, back and away. Down and little forward, back and away. Down and little forward, and exhale, chaturanga. Good. Inhale, upward facing. Deep breath in. It's upward facing dog where the chest lifts up. Exhale, downward facing dog. All right, nice. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. 1 more. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Good job. Now, let's sink the knees down. Press your hands. Put that left knee in the middle and show me 1 leg back. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Pitch your shoulders forward for 4, and 5. Switch the legs. Left leg back. When you kick that leg back, you want to activate your transverse abdominals, and we want to keep it parallel, not up, right? So we got 2, 3, 4, 5. Set it down. You can do it again with the knees down, or here we have our plank. All right, navel is in, shoulders a little forward. Good. 1 leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there, 5, exhale, set it down. Left leg comes up, we got 1. The navel is in, keep working, 2, shoulders a little forward, 3, don't give up, 4, 5, put it down, exhale, chaturanga. Upward facing, big breath in. Downward facing, big breath out. Nice, how'd that go? All right, now let's sink the knees down, and then right leg up. That's not the leg, that's the arm. Right arm up, left leg up, hold. 1, 2, good, keep breathing, 3, 4, 5, we set it down. Switch the sides. Left arm, right leg for 1, 2, remember your transverse abdominals, 3, 4, 5, set it down. All right, this next one could be a little hard. So if you want to keep the knees down, keep the knees down. Now, inhale, we pick it up, feet together, all right, little together. Now, we did the right arm and the left leg for 1, transverse abdominals, 2, 3, that's the midsection of the body, 4, 5, exhale down, switch the sides, 1, 2, 3, this is hard, 4, 5, put it down, all right, exhale, chaturanga, upward facing, give me a big breath in, all right, we're gonna take it to downward facing. From downward facing, let's sink the left knee down and come into a supported side plank. Woo! 1, good job. 2, keep lifting, don't give up. 3, nice work. 4, 5, exhale, spiral down. Inhale, twist it open. Exhale, spiral down. Inhale, open. 3 more. Exhale, down. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Inhale, open. Last one, exhale down, inhale, open. We're gonna switch the sides. Come on down, take that right knee down and open for 1, ooh, don't fall, 2, 3, 4, almost there, 5, exhale, spiral down, inhale, lift it open, exhale, spiral down, inhale, lift it open, exhale, spiral down, how you doing? Inhale, lift it open. 2 more. Exhale, spiral down. Inhale, lift it open. Exhale, spiral down. Inhale, lift it open. Back to the center. Hands and knees. Exhale, bend your knee, elbows and chest towards the ground. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Let's start from side plank, okay? Left hand, give me side plank. Up for 1. Nice. 2. You sweating yet? It's hot here in Majorca, so I'm already sweating. 4, 5, exhale down, inhale, open, exhale down, inhale, open, only 1 more, exhale down, inhale, open, good job. All right, right hand down, switch the sides, good, lift it, side plank for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, spiral down, twist it open. Again, we spiral down. Twist it open. Spiral down. Twist it open. Back to the center. Plank. Chaturanga. Upward facing. Downward facing. How you doing? You sick of plank yet? Hope not. We've got a few more. All right, we're going to do one of my favorites. Now, bend the right knee in. Hold your plank like that. So we got the knee in plank for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swing it up to your 3-legged dog. Bend the knee in plank. Swing it up to your 3-legged dog. Bend the knee in plank. Only 2 more. Up to that 3-legged dog. Bend the knee in plank. Last one. You got that 3-legged dog. Knee in plank. Back to regular plank. Switch the sides. Nice. Left side transverse abdominals for 3, 4, and 5. Up to that 3-legged dog. Good. Bend the knee in plank. All the way up to that 3-legged dog. Bend the knee in plank. Up to that 3-legged dog. Bend the knee in plank. Only 2 more transverse abdominals. Up to that 3-legged dog. Bend the knee in plank. 3-legged dog. Knee in plank. Regular plank. Chaturanga. Upward facing, downward facing. Nice. All right, fast and fiery, huh? I'm gonna do one more. Let's do one more, all right? Now, bring it in. I wanna do a twisted plank. So you're gonna twist over like you're gonna enter a side plank, back to the center, switch. Back to the center, switch. We're gonna do total 5 times. We've done 2, so we got 3 more. Good. 2 more times. Over. 1 more time. Over. Center. Good. Knees down. Last plank, promise. Dolphin plank. Elbows down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't give up. 5. Pitch it forward. 1, 2. Transverse abdominals. 3. Use your core. 4, 5. Send it back. Walk it up to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Upward facing. Downward facing. Cross your feet. Come on down to seated. One little stretch. Extend. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Back to the center. Ooh, that was fast and fiery, huh? So I wanted to share that with you because I like plank and I like to work on different variations of plank. And I want you to return to this video and like use it as your daily little plank routine so that you can feel these different variations help stabilize your shoulders. And remember that you can progress at your own pace. I've been practicing yoga for over 20 years. And like I said, plank, one of the first postures and variations of plank where I started to feel strength really building. So I hope this helps and keep practicing. And I hope you feel stronger and stronger every day and hope to see you again real soon.